Welcome to CTclockwises channel, 1-minute teaching video so you can just practice right after watching. So today on tricks how to paint skin using copics and color pencils, you may begin by using copics or color pencils, darkest color for the shadow and for the corner. I normally use copics RV11, and then I suggest you to use the lightest copic color all over the whole skin. I normally use E000, and then you use the middle tone color to blend them. I normally use R000. As you will see next, you can use color pencil for lighter skin color as well. It's your choice. Then you can use color pencil again for details and for sharpening the picture at the corner and at the outline. Lastly, the fun part, which I didn't show in the video, but then I like to use white gel pen for highlight at the note tips or at the cheeks of the picture so it looks more sparkling, and that's what I like. And yeah, that's it for today. So if you like this video, please press thumbs up and may consider subscribing to this channel for more video like this. For more drawing and videos, you can visit my Instagram and Facebook. Love you guys. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.